We're going to be reading for the sign of Virgo from now until the end of the month. So what you guys can possibly expect. Let's start. Let's take three. Let's pull three cards for what's happening with you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, right now with Five of Cups, you could be possibly too focused on what went wrong in the past. Okay, I believe the past few weeks you've been very focused on your finances, but lately you're also wanting to think of what went wrong with your personal life, your love life in the past couple of months or maybe even a year. Okay, and you're possibly wanting to see why you went through this and of what it taught you. Okay, but you do not understand that whatever happened was meant to happen for you to move in a certain direction. Remember this, that whatever you are going through or whatever you'll be going through is always for the higher purpose. You won't go through shit for nothing. Even if you go through something painful, it is always a lesson in that. There's always leveling up after that. No matter what you go through, there are always better days coming. Okay, remember that. One more card. So right now with the Fool card, some of you might be wanting to take that risk forward. Okay, even if you are focused on the past, that doesn't mean you're not going to possibly move forward. I see you wanting to move forward. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, right now you feel a bit of out of balance. Like something is not right for you to completely make a move towards the unknown or towards something new in your life. But that doesn't mean you won't. Okay, right now you do not feel like you have the energy that is needed or the clarity that is needed to move forward in life. Okay, but overall energy for the month, I see the Fool. So you do want to take that leap of faith. Okay, that step forward towards the unknown. Regarding your financial life, what's happening? Regarding your financial life, what's happening? Okay. Regarding your financial life with Five of Pentacles, even if you have a job, I believe you're not so happy with the income you're making or the or the like the payment you receive. Okay, you want a bonus, you want leveling up. You are not happy whatever you're getting. Okay, I also feel you feel underpaid or undervalued by the workplace or whosoever you work for. Even if it's a private business, you do not think that the last couple of weeks have been very good for you. You feel like there is a lack in terms of success in your financial life. Okay, like things are not looking very good. Okay, you could be also fearing loss in the coming week. Okay, Five of Pentacles is all about fears, insecurity, not feeling good enough. Okay, or not feeling like you're getting the due credit for whatever hard work that you're putting in. I'm not saying that you are not working hard. It is sometimes the luck is not so in our favor for us to get the due credit. Okay, that doesn't mean you won't. Okay, there are always better days coming in. Okay, right now might not be your best time, so it's time for you to save more than spend more. Okay, this is not the time for you to spend more. Okay, remember that. Some of you might also be wanting to travel, but since you are not so very good on the financial side, you may have to delay that. Okay, so yeah, what else do you see coming up for the sign of Virgos? What else is coming up for the sign of Virgos? Okay. With Hermit card, I believe right now you're taking a step back, possibly wanting to reflect over whatever you've been through, whosoever was there in your life, what they have made you go through. You're basically reflecting over the whole situation. I also see you feeling a bit ghosted by the person that mattered most to you. Okay, whatever has happened in your life quite recently has made you question a lot of things. Okay, regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? Regarding your soulmate, Virgo soulmate, what are they up to? Regarding your soulmate with Seven of Cups, there is major confusion. But note that they know that this isn't over between the two of you. What are they going through currently? What are they going through currently? Okay. With Queen of Pentacles, I believe this person has always been very focused on their finances. Some of you could be dealing with a possible Scorpio, some of you with a Capricorn, some of you with the Aries. Okay, but I do feel that whatever you're going through, your person still thinks about you. It's just that they have too much to possibly attain to, or too much work on their end for them to completely make a move towards you. But that doesn't mean it's over. With Death in the reverse, even if you guys are separated apart, at a distance, things are not over. Okay, how are they thinking about you now? How are they thinking about you now? With two of cups, they know that you are the one. Okay, they have always known that. With two of wands, there could be some sort of you know, like they are at crossroads. Basically, I won't say that they have two options. Rather, it is like they are possibly you know, messed up in terms of their work life and their love life. Queen of Pentacles is not a very romantic card, so right now they might be focused on their personal life. Mind you, if this person is having kids or they are married, they might be focused on that. But if it's not your case, then they're focused on their finances. But that doesn't mean they are ignoring you to be with someone else. But yes, they are at crossroads. They are possibly wondering whether they should stay more focused on their financial life or or their love life. Okay, how do they think about you in terms of what are they wanting to do about you? Okay. With King of Wands, this is a card where this person is very much interested in you. They are very attracted to you. In the past, they could have held back a lot, but right now they think or want to move forward. Okay, they are deciding to take action towards you, but that doesn't mean they will. I'm just telling you that their intention is to take action towards you. Okay, so in terms of their energy towards you, Virgo soulmate. Okay, in terms of their energy right now with Seven of Pentacles, even they are holding back. Okay, even they are possibly questioning a lot regarding this connection. I believe this is not a new connection for the two of you. You've been going through this for a lot of time. Some of you, it's almost been like 7 years. For some of you, it's 7 months. Okay, and things have not really got to the point you guys would want it to. Okay, like you still feel like this relationship is still stagnant, like it has never got to that successful point, or that, you know, like what do you call that, you know, like a very balanced connection, or a very you know, like loving, very soulful. You both know that there are feelings attached, but at the same time you guys haven't put in the necessary effort. It is also, I'm getting a download that one of you was more invested, the other person was invested in their finances. Okay, and you were the one who always wanted to make things work, whereas the other person seemed like they were never bothered about it. Okay, give one more card in terms of their intentions towards you now. What are they wanting to do now? What are they really wanting to do now? In terms of intentions, I just, like I told you, like few minutes earlier, that your person is wanting to make a move towards you. They want to express their love to you now. Okay, one more card in terms of their action. What are they planning? In terms of their action, what are they planning? Some of you could be dealing with the water sign. Okay, majorly Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so we have two great cards here. We have Ace of Wands, it fell in at the side, and we have King of Cups. So in terms of action, there could be a delay, but that doesn't mean your person won't take action. But yes, they are wanting to fix this with you. Yes, they are wanting to express their love. This month could be a very romantic month for the two of you. Okay, starting now, it could move forward towards Feb, but yes, they are wanting to make a move. So within a week, if not in the next couple of days, you can expect this person to act more sweet, kind, emotional with you. Okay, so one card for what can you expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them now? In terms of what you can expect from them, I still feel like this person is still confused as to what or to do towards you, or how to come forward towards you. With the moon card, they are still having fears and doubts. Okay, I believe they want to come forward, but that doesn't mean they will make a move today or tomorrow. They will take their sweet time. With Five of Wands, they are a bit conflicted. They also have fears whether you'll stay open to them or not. Like currently, how are they viewing you? Currently, how are they viewing you? With Two of Pentacles, currently they feel like you are at crossroads. You are not very sure about them. You could have not given them a very strong indication that you're still interested, or you haven't really made, you know, like them feel like you're still waiting on them. Okay, one more card. With Four of Cups, recently I believe you've not given them the due attention that they were wanting from you. I'm not saying that you did them wrong or something. If someone is not giving you that commitment, or someone is not making you feel wanted, you don't have to chase them. Okay, you are right in your energy, and I don't know about them though. Okay, but whatever you did, you were holding back, is the right thing to do. Whenever someone is not giving you what you want or what you feel you deserve, it's best to hold back and possibly focus elsewhere. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you. In terms of their feelings, we have the world card. So I know this might sound cheesy, but you mean the world to them. Okay, I hate to use this line, but for some of you, this is your twin flame with 11 here. With Three of Cups, howsoever, the problem is that this person hasn't really expressed their feelings. They were rather friend zoning you with Three of Cups in the reverse. Okay, always treated you like a friend and not as a lover. This won't resonate with everyone, but yes, major, they were never really open expressing their feelings. Okay, somewhat like they were very disturbed whenever you forced them to possibly express their feelings. They were very much conflicted by the idea of having to express their feelings. Okay, but how do they view you as a partner now, like a divine counterpart? How do they view you as a partner now? Okay, as a partner with King of Pentacles, they know that you are marriage material. They know that you are someone who they can rely on, who they can trust for long-term success in terms of relationship. With Seven of Wands, however, they also know that you are not going to put in the effort now. Maybe you've already done the whatever you had to do. The reason why you had Five of Cups as your energies, because you feel like you have done your best and there is nothing you could do now to save the connection. It all depends on them whether they are still wanting to make a move, whether they are wanting to let you go. Okay, and you are right in your energy. In terms of that, they also know that in the past you were waiting on them, or they possibly made you feel stuck and they were not really taking the action, and they basically wasted a lot of your time. Okay, top card we have is Knight of Wands. But trust me when I say this, they are very much interested in you. Not just emotionally, they also find you very attractive. Okay, sometimes you don't have to look the best for them to have sexual attraction towards you. Sometimes it's just energy. Sometimes when two people are connected, it's just the energy that possibly makes you want to explore and want to possibly be a part of the other person's life. Okay, it doesn't have to always be about looks, and how the person possibly tries to carry themselves. It's majorly about energy, and the faster you understand that, better for you. Okay, one card for what can you expect in terms of how your possibly the next couple of weeks are going to go in terms of your soulmate connection. I still feel like with the Emperor in the reverse, this person has been someone who has not been willing to take to take action whenever shit got difficult. Whenever you guys fought, this person always made you feel like you were responsible for it. Never took the blame on themselves. Never felt responsible for the breakup. Always pushing the blame on you. So I also feel like the person you are dealing with is bit manipulative. They do not like to be wronged in any which way or form. Okay, very controlling, extremely dominating. Some of you could be dealing with a Taurus or a Aries. Okay, or someone who has Taurus or Aries as moon or rising. Okay, but I do feel this person does not really take charge. Whenever they feel like things are getting out of hand, they just leave. Okay, and maybe that is one of the reasons you cannot trust them completely. Okay, so what can you possibly expect for the next couple of weeks, Virgo? With Ten of Cups, however, I do feel with Page of Wands and Ten of Cups, I see you being in a good energy, a lot better energy than you are right now. But one thing in terms of my advice to you is, do not give in. Even if this person tries to trigger you, like let's say this person posts a nice picture, or posts a possible romantic quote, or posts on like something that gets your attention. Don't try to give in. let this person make a move, because from what I read, this person has made you go through a lot and they are still trying to control you, mind you. With that, with Five of Swords and the Emperor in the reverse, this person is not completely willing and devoted to make it work with you. They want you, but at the same time they are not readily wanting to put in effort. You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, one card for what are they wanting from you now. What are they wanting from you now? What are they wanting from you? We have Seven of Swords. If you've been possibly trying to run away from them or ignore them or give, or possibly you are like forcing, like pushing them away, then they want you to stop that. Okay. With Three of Pentacles, they want you to possibly be on the same page as them, work together with them. Like when I say work together, like work together on the connection, like not towards a project or in any other form. With Three of Pentacles, they want you to be on the same page as them. Okay. With Seven of Swords, they want you to stop running away and stop ignoring them. Okay, if you are doing that. So yes, one card for the main blockage that's been stopping the two of you. One card for the main blockage that's stopping the two of you. We have Six of Cups and Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. Even after having the love for each other and even after knowing that you guys were soulmates, this person never put in the necessary effort. There was lack of effort from your person's side. Okay, there was also lack of communication. You guys hardly were in contact. And with Two of Wands, they were always at crossroads, never very sure about you. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person. What is your person wanting to say to you now? All those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, you could reach out on my website and book one for yourself. So what is your person wanting to say to you now that they haven't said so far? I thought about taking a trip with you. So they are definitely wanting to possibly meet you. Okay. I pray for protecting this connection. So they do want this connection, even if they do not make you believe that or possibly say it out loud. They do want this connection to last. Okay. So yes, yeah. Just like I told you, I'm confused. I'm so confused. Work versus you. So this person might be a very much someone who's very much about their image, about their like their careers and stuff. So this person has always been very much devoted to their work rather than their love life. So yes, this was their reading for the sign of Virgo. All that you need to know about your person moving forward for the next couple of weeks. So if this resonated, darling, please do consider the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed for regular updates, and thank you for coming in. And all those who wish to get a personal reading done, please visit my website. All those who are on Instagram and wish to follow me for divine guidance, you could follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Okay, see you soon, guys, and hope to meet you next coming month.